Hi, in front of me I have Garmin Venu 2S and I'm gonna show you how to customize the controls menu on this device. First, let me show you the controls menu. So let's wake up the screen on our watch by pressing any of the buttons, and to open the controls menu, press and hold the upper button. And after a second or two, the controls menu should open, and that's how it looks like. Here basically we have some shortcuts like power off, screen brightness, Garmin Pay, music, do not disturb mode and stuff like that. And we can customize this menu. To do it, let's go back to the watch face by pressing the lower button, then press and hold the lower button to open the menu. Now scroll down, tap on the settings icon to open the settings. And in settings we have the controls option. Tap on it. As you can see, here we have the controls menu. And we can customize it a couple of ways. We can add or remove the icons or other shortcuts. To do it, simply tap on one and then tap on the bin icon to remove it, like that. And once you remove one, you will have space for new one and you will see the plus button. So you can add a shortcut, simply tap on plus button, and here you have a list of shortcuts you can use. For example, alarms, like this, and here we have it. You can also move the icons. So for example, I want to move the alarms right here to the place of the Garmin Pay. To do it, tap on the alarm, select it, and then tap on the icon you want to replace it with to move it to this position. Quite simple, like that. And once you're done customizing this menu, simply press the lower button to go back. And then when we open it, we should have the alarms right here. As you can see, there it is. Okay, if your watch is paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect app, you can also change this on your phone. So bring our phone right here, open the Garmin Connect app on our phone. In the app, let's select our Garmin Venu from here by tapping on this icon, and you should see the device page for the Venu 2S. Now scroll down, tap on Appearance, select Controls menu, and here we have it, and we can customize it. We can remove icons by tapping on one and tapping on bin icon, like this. Add icon by tapping on plus, and here we can select it, for example, battery saver, and move icons by tapping on one and tapping on the second one, like this. And you can also tap right here on this icon to open the menu, and you have clear all to remove them all, or reset to defaults to reset them to default settings, like this. And once you're done, simply go back and wait until the devices are done syncing. If they're not syncing, you can tap on this icon to sync them. And that's how you customize the controls menu. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.